out chick.
What is up, you guys? Green Emerald here. In today's video, we are going to be shooting fireworks off in the front of our house out here. And yeah, so it should be really cool. A lot better than last year. We got better ones this time. Hopefully it's a lot better this time than it was last time. But we have to wait till like what? 9 o'clock. Yeah, we're probably gonna do it around 9 o'clock. And pretty much we're just waiting for that time to start, and I'll like pretty much like inform you guys when they're there. But like pretty much just waiting so far. And we got ancient olivine in here. This is like called the Emerald House now. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, he's playing Far Cry 4 because he's sad, and he's playing a game that's like 40 years old, but it's alright. Hold on, I see if I can see you in the back. Yeah, I can see you. And so I'll record when we get outside. Alright, guys, so we're about to start the fireworks like right now, cause like, hold on, let me open this up really fast. Okay, well, it's just dark outside. It's like dark, so we're gonna be, oh crap, I put this on wrong. Alright, so we're gonna be going out there in like just a second, and I'll record a little montage of like the best ones, because like you guys probably do not want to see those like little crappy ones and like the sparklers and crap. So I'll just get the good parts, and I'll see you guys after. Alright, so we are outside, and skadoosh, and yeah, we're about to start these off.